most loved couple on Indian television, Riyansh. That is Heli Shah and Rahul Sudhir from Ishq Mein Mar Jawa, joining me today on the third episode for Real Buddies. Welcome to Real Buddies. Firstly,
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavna.
Rahul and Heli. I
Thank
think this is one of my favorite. This is the first time I'm actually meeting
Yeah,
you
we're
in
meeting for the
person.
first time.
But I must say they are the coolest on-screen couple that I've met so far.
Coolest
because-
actually.
She called us the coolest on-screen couple.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in person as well. But of course, this is Real Buddies I'm talking about, so I have to mention
You have to mention the fact that I am cool individually.
as well.
Off-
Of
off
course,
screen,
of
yeah.
course, I'm going to give that
He's
to
cooler
you.
than, I think he's the only one who makes this entire online बोल रही हूँ on-screen pair cool.
Cool. Yeah, I just switched and I just took your tag.
Thanks.
But tell me something, how many times, I'm sure a lot of people must have told you that your on-screen pairing has been loved, has been, like, people are really huge fans of it from Ishq Mein Mar Jawa, right? But tell me, what is that secret that works for you? What is the reason behind this, that amazing chemistry that we see on screen?
I think it's just how it just boils down to how pretty Haley is at the end of the day. And, you know, she's just this amazing.
So please be ready with all sorts of answers like this, okay?
Is he always like this?
Yeah.
I really want to know.
You're asking me something I have no clue about.
No, but there must, I mean, you know, there's some technique, some process that goes behind that,
Of
right?
course,
What
Haley
is
is a method actor, and you know, she's,
I told you, be ready with such
she's talking
answers.
technique. Haley, you're a method actress, right?
No, I'm not a method actor, but
Haley ने रिद्धिमा के रोल के लिए, you know, for a month she was just checking out spy films, and then she actually did the course for.
shut up, will you please shut up? इस पूरे इंटरव्यू में यही होने वाला है
But
राहुल
you tell me,
बकवास
is there-
करेगा और हम लोग हंसने वाले हैं.
I think they are only going to laugh. ये मुझे questions भी नहीं पूछने देने वाले हैं.
नहीं.
But you tell me, is there a secret behind it, or does it happen organically for both?
ऑर्गेनिकली होता है. आई थिंक हम दोनों उसी चीज में बिलीव करते हैं. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम रिहर्सल भी नहीं करते हैं, हम शुरू हो जाते हैं और बस
हो जाते हैं.
She knows how to do.
Okay, please complete that sentence. It sounds very weird.
No, it's not weird. See, the whole point. Majority on a majority of scenes. I think it just comes out so. Like even I don't know what she's gonna do, and most of the time she's not aware of what I'm
Exactly.
going to do. And I think we are very comfortable with each other being in that space. So I let her be who she wants to be, and she gives me, apparently also she gives me that kind of space where I can be who I want to be. And I think that somewhere has, इतना मेरे को trust हो गया ना उस पे. I know she's gonna, you know, she's gonna keep me on course all the time, even if I waver. So yeah. So I have a lot of faith in her when I'm approaching anything or doing any kind of scene. So yeah, I think that's what works for me. I don't know about her
I
or
think
the
it's
others.
with me also because like I said, हम कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं और ओके ये हो गया, अच्छा हुआ, हमने तो सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ
हाँ,
हो
कभी
सकता
कभी
है.
अच्छे हो जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे हो
या
जाते हैं.
सो कई बार होता है कि किसी और ने सोचा, मे बी लिखते वक्त भी शायद वो नहीं सोचा होगा.
Yeah.
जब वो हम करते हैं ऑर्गेनिकली जो होता है होते जाता है एंड इट जस्ट कम्स आउट वेरी ब्यूटीफुली.
How much time did you guys take to probably, you know, get to know to each?
कितने दिन?
I think
But how much time? I mean, you can have a
Like
rough,
40
you know,
days, 50 hours in few minutes.
40 days, 50 hours, so 40, 41, 42, 42 days and 2 hours. हो जाते हैं.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Correct. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah, it was actually, I'll tell you, it was actually the 78th day of continuously, rigorously shooting with each other.
seeing them today, I definitely know what happens on Ishq Mein Mar Jawa sets. I
You have
mean,
no
it must
idea
be a
the amount
laughter
of-
ride throughout the day.
बीच में
Happening.
कोई funny scenes होते ही नहीं है.
There's
Yeah,
never a
but
funny scene
otherwise,
shot.
इसलिए पूरा fun आप off screen में ही, मतलब, you
We
have
trip
to.
on everything. We trip on each other's characters and we trip on each other's lines. And I'm like, I can't believe you're saying this to me. And she can laugh for half an hour about it. कहती, सच में यार ये मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ? And then she can say the same to me, and I'm like, yeah, why am I even saying this? But I mean, apart from all that, I think it's serious business, and at the end of the day, there's a lot of pressure on our shoulders. Me and her especially, because a lot is expected, and a lot is expected to be delivered at our level. If this is not working, then a
Yeah.
lot of things go for a toss. But I'm so glad that you know, nevertheless.
But do you
Why?
remember what was your first impression of each other when you first saw each other?
ओके मैं बोल देती हूँ कि राहुल को क्या लगा था जब उसने पहली बार मुझे देखा.
Yeah, he must have told you definitely.
या सो ऐसे काफी इंटरव्यूज में ऐसे पूछा भी गया है. सो
गलती से मेरे मुंह से निकल गया था.
कि भाई ये तो बहुत अकड़ू लड़की है, ये तो बहुत ऐसी ईगो वाली लड़की है, इसके साथ तो काम करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. This is
You
what-
really thought that?
Of course, man. You should have seen her.
Like मेरा पहला इंप्रेशन ऐसा था.
But I can't believe it, to be very honest, because I mean, even if I've not
See.
met you, I've heard about how
Yeah.
she is. as a
I'm
person.
sure
But I
if you
was
get to know her, you wouldn't think
Yeah.
that. But I'm talking about the first impression, where
What-
everybody's coming in a very, you know, tight defense state, and you know, it's business. You're there for work, and you're very subtly we're all assessing. अच्छा ये कौन है? अच्छा ठीक है, ये कौन है? अच्छा ये ऐसा. So, अब मैं ना बहुत दुखी हो गया था because that was my 23rd mock test. People don't realize how hard I have worked to get this role. 23
Oh,
odd.
You gave oh my god.
23rd was Haley, and I'm saying it for the first time. I think
No,
I
I
have
know.
said that.
You told me कि
No, on camera मैंने आज तक नहीं बोला.
तू आखिरी लड़की थी जिसके साथ मॉक
Yeah,
किया था.
she was the last girl I did a mock shoot, and I was.
He was like कर लो, किसी को भी सिलेक्ट कर लो, बस मेरे को बख्श दो.
Yeah, I mean, it just took a toll over me because I was saying the same lines continuously for 4 odd days continuously, और मैं बस लड़की चेंज होती थी और मैं nice perfume. मैं वही कर. Oh shit, man! That nice perfume went on for months. मैं नींद तक मैं वही बोल रहा था nice perfume. My mother got up and she slapped me. She's like, "What is wrong with you?" Nice perfume.
This is called being that character को इतना seriously लेना कि वो नींद तक में वही समझ में आ रहा.
Yeah, that was something, man. I think that took a toll on my mental health. Like what?
But what made you finally realize that okay, she is not that akru person that you thought she was?
उसको
think-
पता चला, वो तो क्रूज से वापस आने के बाद पता चला होगा.
Cruise तक तो भाई, oh god, Haley has killed me, man.
Really?
Do you remember that dance sequence on the cruise?
Yeah.
So let me not even talk about all these things.
Please, I would want to know what happened.
So I was very irritated
No.
with Rahul, okay? Like
Wait.
angry, yeah, irritated,
No.
whatever you want to call it.
No.
He wanted to rehearse. कितनी बार किया था यार rehearsal?
No, you were not irritated at that.
Yeah, no, I was irritated at something else.
I'll tell you what happened.
मेरी
I
याददाश्त
remember
थोड़ी सी
it
कमजोर है.
clean and clear. और मुझे एक एक करके वो शॉट भी याद है, वो कैसे कैसे हेली इरिटेट हुई. हेली कम्स एंड शी इज डन अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी शोज. जब भी कोई हीरो हीरोइन का डांस होता है, शी इज यूज्ड टू बीइंग very calmly and
Yeah.
gently maneuvered into the dance.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
She doesn't realize my character is not supposed to do that to her character. I have to push her, pull her, shove her, and then that is what the whole thing of the
Yeah.
dance was. And she was getting really pissed at that. She kept getting pissed. I was like, यार ये last day है, कल घर चले जाएंगे. I swear I will not see this woman even before. And if she wants to, she can go complain to the police. She can send me a legal notice. But आज अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ and I'm bloody supposed to shoot this all night, I will do it right. कल की कल देखूंगा मैं.
नहीं, तो शुरुआत में मैं ठीक थी, फिर ऐसा हुआ कि रिहर्सल में भी हो रहा है. I got irritated because of that. I was not angry कि हाँ टेक में मुझे ऐसे कर रहे हो. I was irritated and angry.
She was pissed. मेरे को रिहर्सल में बोलती है, कहती he is the choreographer ना, तुम क्यों करके दिखा रहे हो? आपको करना है. I'm the one who's supposed to do it.
रिहर्सल में भी एक घुमा रहा है. रिहर्सल है, प्लीज काम डाउन. वी कैन जस्ट डू इट थोड़ा सा आराम से, और वैसे रिहर्सल कर लेंगे. टेक में जितना फोर्स लगाना है, जितना मेरे को धक्का मारना है मार लो. टेक में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो मैं इस बात पे इरिटेट हो गई. एंड देन आई सैट एंड आई थिंक हिमांशु के साथ कोई और एक लड़का था. मैंने उसको बोला मैं रिहर्सल नहीं कर रही, उसको करना है, आप लोग कर लो.
But then finally, when did you guys become friends then?
Never.
Eventually.
We're still fighting.
No, but what was it about her finally that you realized that oh, अकड़ू नहीं है, मतलब अच्छी है?
ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. जो हर दिन अब वही सामने दिख रही है तो मैं I don't really.
You get used to it.
Yeah, I mean ऐसा कुछ थोड़ी होता है one fine day. Oh,
No, but you
she's not
realize
that ugly, man. I used to think wrong. No, you just sort of mellow in कि भैया इसमें there is no other choice. You get real here. She is your co-actress, and you will be with her, and she's stuck with you, and you're stuck with her. So you might as well just try and, you know, adapt, Rahul, adapt. So हर दिन सुबह morning में ना just do adapt. She's a good girl. She's a good
Today
girl.
only he said, Haley, 365 days में से 363 days तू सड़ी हुई रहती है,
इसका
पर 2
कितने
दिन
मूड स्विंग है भाई इसके?
तू बहुत अच्छी रहती, तो आज उन 2 में से एक दिन है।
अब मेरे को डर लग रहा है अब एक ही दिन बचा मेरे पास पूरे साल में.
That's what he comes and says to me.
But what was your first impression of him now?
Of course.
I'm really eager to know that.
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली मेरा कुछ सोलो पोर्शन वहाँ पर मॉक शूट में हो रहा था, मैं वहाँ से आई चेंज वेंज के लिए, तो एक ही स्पेस, ऐसे इतना एक स्पेस था जहाँ पर ऐसे अलग अलग ऑफिसेस थी जहाँ पर सबके मेकअप और हेयर हो रहे थे. सो आई कम एंड देन आई सी, तो मुझे हेयर मेकअप उन लोगों ने बोला कि हाँ वो लड़का आ गया है, हीरो आ गया है, जिसके साथ हमें मॉक शूट करना है. आई लाइक ओके एंड आई वाज रेडी. ओके, मैं बैठी हूँ, I'm done with my lines and everything. मैं फिर भी बैठी हूँ, फिर मैं वापस जहाँ शूट होना था मैं वहाँ चली गई, मैं वहाँ पे भी बैठी हूँ, बातें कर रहे. मैंने बोला भाई ये बंदा आ ही नहीं रहा है, इतना टाइम लगा रहा है हेयर मेकअप को. Like this was my first impression. हमने मॉक शूट किया और बस फिर चले गए.
But what happened after that entire जो cruise वाला जो episode हुआ when you were irritated by him?
अरे कुछ
Sometime.
नहीं.
नहीं, अरे
Then it
मतलब
was fine.
Of course.
But 2 things that you hate and love about it, working with each other.
Really, come on.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, this time, Haley, I want you to start this.
What? 2 things I
Just
hate.
say it. I'm not even looking at you.
Like I don't hate anything about.
Or maybe dislike. Hate would be a
Maybe
stronger word, yeah.
Dislike भी नहीं, but
Ab come on, you don't have to be diplomatic.
नहीं,
हाँ,
मैं
नहीं, नहीं,
diplomatic
नहीं,
नहीं. Okay. एक तो मैं बैठ के ना ऐसा सब सोचती नहीं हूँ, and my presence of mind is really bad. Okay, like it's pathetic.
Haley, that is a controversial statement. Your presence of mind cannot be bad because your mind is present.
नहीं, no. मैं कहीं और ही होती हूँ right now, so I don't know where.
Why are you disrespecting all of us
No, I'm not.
by being somewhere else?
No, I'm not. I'm not. कहीं और नहीं, मतलब मेरा
No,
दिमाग.
but ठीक है, चलो
घूमता
we'll
रहता
start with 2 things you love about him and then you can say.
I think I don't know कि मैंने ऐसा कभी बोला है इंटरव्यू में, but I think he's the best co-actor I have worked with till now.
Wow. अब
And
तारीफ हो गई.
ये तारीफ हो
हाँ, अब hate. What
एंड
do you
मतलब
not
ये
like
चीज
about?
है जो मैं ऐसे बोलती हूँ, मतलब मैं that he is somebody who has made me the most comfortable. मतलब मैंने सबके साथ काम किया है, but I think I am the most comfortable and chilled with Rahul. बहुत सिखाया इन लोगों ने, मुझे बिगाड़ के रख दिया है. मतलब मैं जितनी 1 साल पहले जैसी थी वैसी मैं नहीं हूँ. Do you agree to that?
Of course, man. I'm so proud of myself.
I think Rahul, आप बता दो फिर then
हाँ,
maybe.
मैं
it
बता
will-
दूँ, मैं सोच
नहीं बताऊं. तेरे को ये
क्या
पसंद नहीं
फिर?
आता मेरे बारे में.
नहीं, आप इनके बारे में बताओ. 2 things you like and dislike about her.
2 things I like about Haley are, I think she's very.
It's okay if you can't.
I think she's got a very. Her good mornings are very pretty.
Oh God. Nobody is going to understand this.
Yeah, what?
Tell her.
Now tell us.
So Haley comes early in the morning. No, normally we do 2 people
7
shooting.
बजे, okay, 7 बजे.
And Haley comes, toy. She's all ready and pretty and climbed up सुबह. ऐसे करके सेट पे आती है. She's like,
I don't do that, okay?
why would you do that? Who does that, man? Say a good morning, na? She didn't even bother to say good. She's like,
You can't do this. मैंने नहीं किया. He's just exaggerating, okay?
तुमने क्या किया फिर?
मैंने सर थे, मैंने सर को विश किया, मैंने बोला था गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड थोड़ा सा
नहीं गुड तो बोलना ही and then she's like expecting me to respond to that also. So yeah, her good mornings are like, they really motivate you to just work very hard and that. But on a serious note, what I really like about her is how she's very dedicated, like towards the job. Like with her, you can never go wrong because आप कितने भी stupid, funny, किसी भी mood से आ जाओ scene के अंदर, आप ट्रैक पे ही आ जाओगे हमेशा. So I mean that's a huge blessing because she won't waver. वो उसका कुछ टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं जाता है कभी भी.
नहीं ऐसा जा
हाँ, which she obviously gets back by herself. She doesn't need anybody else to sort of help her out clearly. पर रियांश क्यों बोलते हो यार? It's Haley. The Jodi's name is Haley. Haley.
Please think before you ask anything to him, okay?
Another thing you have to say. What do you not like? Is there anything you don't like about her?
My लंबी list है.
He's like क्या बोलूं?
Yeah, I mean, but on I think
He's like yeah.
yeah, I mean there are things that I don't like. There are a lot of things that I don't like, and I just want to say one that she's got a lot of emotion inside her, man, and you don't know which one is where. She's got a lot of moods and emotions.
Oh, but that's true, यार.
So and you don't know where it is trapped. कभी भी कहीं से भी कुछ भी फट के निकल सकता है. So you have to be on your toes with her.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Please.
You're like, hey, good morning, what's up? And she could slap you. I was like, I didn't deserve
लोग
that.
देखेंगे क्या सोचेंगे? मतलब ऐसा है नहीं जो है नहीं. Good morning. Shut up.
What rude language is that? Who says good morning these days?
She really does it like that.
Don't.
She does that. Really? Come on.
Shut up. I didn't do that. Like.
Why are you
और
crying,
मैं-
man?
मुझे इतनी हंसी आ रही है.
She's like oh it's good. मैं सच में ऐसे
नहीं मुझे याद है एक ही बार किया था और उस एक ही बार में इसने टोका था कहते ये क्या था दूसरी मेरे को 2-3 बार करवाया था कहते फिर से कर अच्छा मैं पागल मैंने फिर से 2 बार करके दिखाया आई नो
okay.
कितनी adorable है यार तू.
Okay, now moving on to our next segment, which is called
Oh, I forgot we're doing an interview.
moving on to our next segment, which is called Buddy Meter. So
Buddy
यहाँ
Meter.
पे
बड़ी मीटर
Yeah.
yeah, so I will ask you a few questions about Haley, which you have to answer, and similarly,
कूल
what is the last picture uploaded by your real buddy? So Rahul की last Instagram picture, because they were
आई रिमेम्बर
oh you do, that's great.
वो गार्डन में खालिदा ने जो खींची हुई है
Shit, यार ये तो बहुत गलत है यार. मैं हफ्ते में एक पिक्चर अपलोड करता हूँ. वो दिन की 3 पिक्चर अपलोड करती है. How can I keep a track?
But she remembers, yeah, that's commendable actually. But now आप बताओ.
वो लेदर वाले ड्रेस के अंदर ऐसे हाथ डाल के है ना, वही है ना
क्या
लास्ट. अरे जिसमें तूने रील भी बनाया था, वही वाली.
राइट
Now my next question is, what was your first project of each? I mean, what was their first project? Your real buddy's first ever project?
वेट हां
वो प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड लेकर.
I was about to say that.
इतने कमीने लोग हैं यार तुम लोग मैं तो सोच रही हूँ
या सोचने से तुम्हारे को जवाब थोड़ी मिल जाएगा. सोचती रहो कुछ भी सोचना है.
There's some web series called Maya. I don't know. मैंने अभी कल 2 दिन पहले कहीं तो पढ़ा था. I don't know.
That's not my first project.
What is your first?
How does it matter now? तो बड़ी मीटर में तुम्हारा मीटर जो है ना नीचे जा रहा है.
अरे
Going down, bro.
you I at least tried.
अरे वो निशा कौन से शो पे थी यार?
कौन निशा?
निशा बोरिटकर.
वो नहीं था.
आज से 10 साल पहले कौन से शोज आते होंगे यार टीवी पे?
Okay, time
जिसमें छोटी सरदारनी वाली नहीं ये रिश्ता है क्या कहलाता वाली एक्ट्रेस है
stop. ना वो निशा वाला ही शो था.
अच्छा वो था निशा वाला उससे पहले एक और शो है ना
उससे पहले 2 और शो थे.
ए भाई पैदा होते से तो काम कर रही है
Okay, time's up. Okay.
हाँ what
You answer first.
my first acting gig was all about section 377
Gulal.
oh shit यार I thought about Gulal man anyway
Yeah, he or she can get cranky if. Complete the sentence.
if क्या होता है like their characteristics nature is like cranky
If. Okay. तो सीन में ऐसा है कि बाल खराब होने हैं राहुल के और उसके बाद उसको भरपूर टाइम नहीं दिया गया बाल ठीक करने का.
And what about her? What can get her cranky?
I think if the hair didi doesn't show up on time to do back combing. You check any BTS. There is Haley shouting. कोई Haley है भी नहीं फ्रेम में. Haley क्या बता रहे दीदी back combing कर. You see anything. You will hear it like 10 times in the video.
Is it right? Okay, a person on your real buddies speed dial.
Oh, I know that. Maybe he's wrong.
क्या क्या?
Speed
A
dial पे
person
किसका
on
नाम
your
होगा?
real buddies speed dial.
I think राहुल का कोई speed dial होगा. उसने किया ही नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
नहीं किया ना? See?
तुमने भी नहीं किया.
मैंने किया.
पापा.
But I don't use it. I have my mom, my brother, my father and my अहमदाबाद का लैंडलाइन नंबर. 4 नंबर है speed dial पे, but I never use it.
Okay, what is the Instagram bio for your real buddy? Reels.
Oh shit.
That I don't know.
ये हेली का कुछ है भी क्या? Find me on Twitter और फलाना एक्ट्रेस लिखा है तूने उसमें उसमें?
Actor लिखा है.
एक्टर मैं एक्ट्रेस लिख लेता हूँ.
But did you guys ever happen to read each other's bio?
अरे पढ़ा होगा ना यार इतनी बड़ी
But
प्रोफाइल
याद
देखी है
नहीं आ
मैंने.
रहा
याद
है.
थोड़ी रहता.
Email ID डाला है.
YouTube चैनल और एंड में क्या डाला है?
कुछ नहीं डाला बस. और लिंक है.
लिंक टू योर YouTube चैनल.
हाँ.
And
बहुत आगे निकल गई.
she is very smart. She's also looking for yours.
So you also have an email ID and some link.
Yeah.
YouTube चैनल.
Okay.